Hey, welcome back, guys. Okay, now that we are done with our slider here and everything seems to be working fine, I want us to deal with a few more things. For example, the banners here. If I should be able to change these ads, and then there's also this banner right there. And also we have to be able to deal with this section and show actual categories and actual products. And then we should get rid of these because we're not going to be showing videos, and we can clean up the footer. So we are closer to the end. But before that, I want to add the blog and contact pages. So there's blog here and contact, which do not seem to go anywhere because we don't have the controllers for them. So let's go ahead and create our controllers for these two guys. So I will go to app controllers, and right inside controllers, I will load in blog and contact. So right about here, I will simply just copy what the home page has because it's pretty much the same. So copy that, except a few things. And then I'll create a new file here and paste everything in there. Then rename the file to blog.php. All right, so obviously all this stuff on the blog, we do want a search button, so I will leave that be, and I'll leave most of this be, only that I will change this to blog like so. For now, that seems reasonable. So I'm going to leave all this here, even though we're not going to be reading from products or anything like that. Let me just click blog. So I am on blog, but I'm still seeing the wrong view. So here I have to have the blog view. I'm just going to say blog like so. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Click on blog. So now it's saying we couldn't find this page. So things are working out. It's only the view that is missing. So if I do go to my views, eShop, and I should find the blog product detail. What is it called anyway? Blog single. Nope. I want this one right here. Blog HTML. Right click. Rename. So yeah, if you want to keep the originals, you can keep the originals just in case. You can go in and delete them when you are completely done. So what I can do is just copy everything just to keep the original, and I'm going to right click on eShop, new file, paste, save, and then I will save as PHP, sorry. Make sure you are saving as all files here, otherwise it will be saved as an HTML file. Now, if only I can find all files. Okay, there we go. So, save. Great. Now let me refresh. Okay, so we get the usual nonsense because we don't have the correct stuff. So let me remove the obvious header and footer. I'll remove the HTML version, and also I want to get my index.php so I can copy the slider. And wait a minute, do I need the slider on this? Now the thing is, it's a good idea to go back to the original, which is just the HTML version here, the original HTML. This is the one right here without the PHP. So you can go in and see exactly how these things look like without the interference of PHP. That's why it's good to make a copy. So the category section does exist, and everything here looks the same except for a few other things. So nice, which means I can copy that slider and header. Oh, I don't need the slider actually. I need the sidebar. So let me copy the header. Come back here and where are we? Yes, from right there, I want to remove the header. So let me see where the header actually ends, which is right here. End header. So select everything to the top, paste that. So that should suffice. And then let's go back to index.php. I want a few more perks here. So I'm going to copy this sidebar. So this one is inside the new next section with container row. So let's see what that section is. So back to blog view. Okay, so looks like this is the one right here, section container row. Padding right. Where are we? Okay, so just after row here, this one right there, I need to remove all that. So let me see where it actually ends. Down, 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 right here. Let's move everything out up to there. Paste. Okay. And then now let's go down to the footer. Copy that. Copy the footer. Back down here and let's see where it actually starts and ends. So if I click here, I'll get an outline where it actually starts from. So let's keep moving up to there. So everything from here to the bottom. jQuery, paste. Okay. I think we are on track here. So let me refresh. All right, so refreshed. Everything seems almost okay, except for the images. So these are still from the other page, which is nice because it means they work just fine. And there's a search bar there. And then we have this content here, but no images, right? So to sort the image issue out, obviously we have to use the href or the source in this case. So here I'll just do a find everywhere where there is source is equal to like that. And then I'm just going to say find all. So like 3 matches found, and then here I'll move one step to the right, and then I will add my root. Don't forget the equal sign, put root like that. Is it root or is assets? I think it's assets in this case, but anyway, root images. Let's see if that actually works. Boom, it didn't. Big surprise, huh? So this one should be assets dot themes. So we concatenate theme, then we concatenate that. Oops. We have to close that instead of concatenation at the end. Alrighty then. So the images are back. Looking great, looking great. All right, so this one is done. So we will have to create a place in the admin section where to create all these blog posts. And then when we click on a single blog post here, it should take us to the single version of the blog post. Now let's do contact. Same procedure here. I'm going to click on the contact us page. Okay, so what to do here? Now this is the issue here. Contact us has a dash and we don't have that kind of luxury for controllers, but nevertheless, let's create a new controller, and I will again borrow. Let me borrow from blog, copy all that, come back here and paste, save this. And now the issue here, contact underscore us dot php. Okay. So one thing I did forget in the blog controller is to change the page title. So change the title to blog. And the rest of the things I don't want to delete because we will use some of these things. So just leave them be. Let's do the same with contact us, and the title is contact. And the view is going to be contact. I think we can leave it at contact. Just make sure it's a small letter here. Okay, back here, and let's refresh. So now the problem is because contact us over there has a hyphen, which is not cool. So we have to figure out how to deal with these hyphens. So in my humble opinion, let's go to app in the core section here. Let's go to app.php. So right here where we are checking if file exists. Yeah. So let me copy this. Copy. Now it's always possible that URL 0 does not exist. Or is it? Let's come back here and see. URL is set. Okay, no, it's not possible because we are setting it to a default value, so it always is there. So all I can do is just say URL 0 is equal to string replace. So I'm searching for a hyphen. But wait a minute. And I want to replace it with an underscore inside there. Let's see if this solves the problem. Go to class contact us. Okay, so it has actually worked. So let's go to contact us class and change it because it's still named blog, but we need it to be contact underscore us, like so, and refresh. Okay, so well and good. That way we are converting the contact hyphen to an underscore. Okay, great. Things are looking up. So what we need now is just a view which will be named contact. So let's go to our views, and where is this view? This one is inside. Where are the C's? There we go. Copy everything, right click, eShop, new file, paste, save. Let's save it as contact because that's what we are calling it. .php save. Ooh, I made a big boo-boo there. So it's contact. Oh, actually it worked. Ooh, nice. It actually worked. Okay, so refresh again with this issue. Okay, so we're going to do the rundown of replacing everything in the next video.